In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Etoro wallet address to receive crypto. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look in the Etoro app and how to confidently share the right address when someone wants to send you cryptocurrency. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to the latest version of the Etoro app on your mobile device. What we're looking for is your public wallet address. This is a safe-to-share identifier, kind of like a bank account number for receiving crypto. It's different from a private key or recovery phrase, which you should never share with anyone. Open the Etoro app and head straight to the Wallet tab. This is your home base for balances and transfers. If you're new to the app layout, the Wallet tab is part of the main navigation and it gathers all your supported assets in one place so you don't have to dig through multiple screens. Inside the Wallet tab, look for the section labeled Crypto Wallet and choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to receive. This part is important because each coin has its own unique address format. A Bitcoin address won't work for Ethereum, and an Ethereum address won't work for Bitcoin. If you're dealing with tokens that live on a particular network, make sure you're selecting the exact asset and network the sender plans to use. Matching the coin and network prevents failed or lost transfers. Once you've selected the correct cryptocurrency wallet, tap Receive. This brings up the receiving screen dedicated to that coin. Think of this as the inbox for that specific asset. Your wallet's public address will now be displayed. You'll see a long string of letters and numbers, and depending on your device, there may be options to copy or share it. This is the address you can safely provide to a sender or paste into another platform when moving funds to your Etoro wallet. To avoid typos, use the copy function when available, and double-check the first and last few characters after pasting. Many apps also show a QR code for convenience. Scanning can help prevent mistakes. A few quick reminders as you use this address. Always confirm the exact cryptocurrency and network before sending or receiving. Never share passwords, private keys, or recovery phrases. And if the app displays any extra requirements for a particular asset, follow them carefully. That's it. Go to the Wallet tab, choose your crypto, tap Receive, and use the displayed public address to receive funds securely.